Hello, welcome to Tots and Moms. I'm Kavita and today we are making garlic pepper rice, a simple, easy to make home remedy for cough and cold. And even when babies or kids have fever or you have it, unfortunately you can have this because it gives a really calming effect and you can sleep well if you have it at dinner time. So it has a lot of medicinal properties because we have used one of the major ingredients of most of the Ayurvedic medicines, which are garlic and pepper. And this can be made jhatpat in just 5 minutes, not even that I would say. Chopping onion, peeling garlic would be the only job you will have before, as a prepping up a part of this rice. So let's dive right in and see how to make this garlic pepper rice. To begin with, I'm taking a pan. I'm adding ghee. You can even make this with oil. Mustard seeds. Curry leaves. Urad dal and gram dal. Just a teaspoon and a half of each. Let's fry this. Once they turn a little whitish, we'll add crushed garlic, crushed pepper, just give it a quick stir. Now adding onion. Let's mix this well. Now I'm even adding red chili to add on more spice to this. This is optional, but it really gives a good taste. Once onion turn translucent, we'll add in cooked rice. This is very easy to make and you can make your own variation by adding little more spices however you wish. Now I'm adding salt, grated coconut. Let's mix this. We'll cover and cook this for 3 minutes. A very easy and simple recipe this is. You can add in some coriander leaves, but it is totally optional. I don't like the taste of coriander with this rice, but if you are somebody who likes coriander, please feel free to add it here. So garlic pepper rice is all ready to be served. I hope you like this recipe. If you did, don't forget to comment and let me know. If you are somebody who loves the flavor of garlic, you would definitely like it. And you can add in other vegetables, but really not necessary. If you are looking for more home remedies on our blog, there are 20 home remedies for cough and cold. Everything would be in the description box below. Please have a check there. There is a pepper rasam recipe which is lactation friendly as well, and even kids can have it with rice when they have cough and cold issues. It is again something soothing and instantly relieving. Apart from that, there are 3 homemade drinks: tulsi kashaya, ginger kashaya, and turmeric milk. So that is there, and homemade Chyawanprash recipe is also there on our blog, totsandmoms.com. You just have to click this and everything is easy. You can click on that search button, type anything you want. Most of the recipes are found there easily, so have a check there. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked this, if you are parent to a child who's below 5 years, this is going to be a useful channel for you because we keep posting babies, kids recipes, parenting tips, and how to deal with a few health issues, what are the prevention and precautions. Things like that are included here on our channel, so do consider subscribing. Thank you so much. Bye bye.